Hello, my name is Leandro Giardinero. I'm director for LedsUniverse, and I'm here today to tell you that our engineers and R&D department have been on iPower LED industry for more than 12 years, and they can design the product you always thought about and the requests you have and the product you wish for. To give you some examples, it doesn't matter if it is a floodlight, if it's a billboard light, a wall pack, or if we have add-on functions such as remote control, the wireless system, timing system, or RGB, we can design these products and manufacture these for you. So to exemplify what I've been talking to you about, I will give you some very concrete and detailed projects we have done in which we design a completely new model. And now they are part of our entire offering. And I will start with the first one, which is actually a grow light for plants. And we have, in this one, created a control board, a control unit that includes a timing system. You have the days of the week from Monday to Sunday that you can control here. And then you can select the hours, the minutes, and the seconds. And this is done by pressing the button in programming, and then you will add the seconds and minutes as you wish. And you have a button controlling of the clock. This is one of the features of the control unit, but we also have another one, which is a dimmer that's incorporated. So you can control the light like 0 to 10 volts by moving the button from one extreme to the other. And on top of that, we also have a plug on the bottom of the control unit. If we plug it in, it goes into a DMX. And through the DMX, we have channel 1 that will light one of the colors, and channel 2 that will have other colors, and then the main button to maximize the use to extreme or lower. And for these grow lights, we have designed them to be underwater, and because they can go underwater, they have no fan, so the cooling is done passively. This is the first example I have here for you. Another one is the circular black light. Like traditionally, our eye bay would be a square in a metallic frame, but this customer required like a black case. He wanted a circular design to fit with the atmosphere of the room and the project he was illuminating, and he wanted individual heating sink on the back, so we have designed a light like that. The third one here we have, it's a multi-directional light, and we have designed it for a case in which maximized spread and lighting ability was extreme. So with this small fixture, it's a 120 watt light, we can get a room fully illuminated with a good spread because we have angles pointing in every directions. So every corner of the room will be fully illuminated. Another example I have here for you, it's these floodlight, which we had the case of a customer installing in an airport. You would buy a standard model that you would install in secondary airports or in main airports, and they are different because in secondary you usually have smaller planes. In bigger airports, main ones, you have longer planes. So the longer the plane, the different way you will control the row for the light to travel. And so we create these rows that are adjustable manually. You can select which direction the light will be pointing on, and this was very convenient for an airport case. Another fixture we have here is the light that is very thin but very lengthy, and this light was created because we wanted to install in a toll gate project, and in the toll gate requirement is that you can only install and mount one lamp. So with this in mind, since we could not install different fixtures, we created a very lengthy one with different rows pointing into different ways, and in this way we could illuminate the entire stretch of the toll gate until 25 meters. And the last lamp I have here for you, it's a floodlight. It's a closed structure because traditionally our floodlights have the open structure in which the air can flow and creates less pressure on the entire structure, on the fixture, and usually we use it a lot for outdoor. This case was for an indoor, and it was a very specific indoor case of a chicken coop. So in the coop there will be a lot of feathers, and if the feathers somehow would travel inside of the gaps, then it would clog the floodlight, and this would create problems in the future. So we redesigned this entire light to be a closed structure for the specific case. As you can see, we had different types of projects, and we redesigned our models to fit into what customers had in mind at that time. Right now, we had one customer asking us for telescopic technology. It's a light that's is going to have angles that can throw and have a very high traveling ability. They will be installed in the lighting and control towers near patrol borders. And so maybe in one of the next videos of custom lights, you can see that product already finished. And if you have in mind a product that you know will be successful in your market, but you have not found it yet, then contact us, and we certainly will be able to manufacture that for you. Lastly, if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channels, and don't have the opportunity to see everything we have there. And also like us on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. And it was a pleasure. Thank you.